What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a really quick video this morning. As you guys can see, OPGN. We all know this green line symbolizes go time, go time. This is go time, the green line right here. So as soon as the stock hits this green line, you're punching in your orders. You can hit your hotkeys or you can place your order above go time. So there's two ways you can place your orders. But we know, boom, as soon as it hits go time, typically it explodes. As you guys can see, this right here is my student, $216 in less than 1 minute. So basically, he's just jumping in, jumping out, boom. And as you can see, this is me. I jumped in here, boom, exploded. And then I jumped in here again, boom, exploded. So learn this strategy, you guys. Even in a down market, you're still able to make pretty decent income. So stop wasting your time and learn how to do this. It's a skill that you need. All right. So I'll chat with you guys another day.